The state of Ohio tops 100,000 cases of coronavirus. Health officials say 100,848 people either have or had COVID-19, with 879 new cases reported. More than 3,600 Ohioans have died from the virus, including one new death in the last 24 hours, and more than 78,000 people are presumed to have recovered. Thanks for joining us for NBC4 at 6. I'm Jennifer Bullock. As Ohio hit and went over that 100,000 case mark today, a Central Ohio family hit extremely hard by the virus is sharing their message. They've lost 3 loved ones to COVID-19. NBC4's Eric Halperin is live outside Mount Carmel Grove City, where some of those family members were cared for. And Eric, after what this family has gone through, they really want people to understand that this virus is serious.
Jennifer, they also want people to remember that behind every one of those 100,000 plus cases is a person with a family. For this Grove City family, 4 different family members had to be hospitalized because of COVID-19. Katie Garbrandt talked with us today about what her family has been through over the past few months. In late March, in just a matter of days, she lost her grandparents, who were here in Mount Carmel Grove City, and her uncle to COVID-19. All 3 had underlying conditions, but she says if it wasn't for COVID-19, they would still be here today. Her stepdad, Don, fought for his life against the virus, too. He was on a ventilator here for weeks before going to rehab and then home. And as the state went over the 100,000 case mark today, Garbrandt says we need to think about all the families affected.
It's a big number that a lot of people, I think, struggle with. You know, you hear people, it's just a number. A lot of people don't know someone who's gone through it, and still think that even with a number that high, that it's a joke and fake and a hoax. And it's concerning that people don't take that number seriously. It's a high number.
Now, thankfully, her stepdad has continued to get better since leaving rehab. He's regained some of his weight, regained some of his strength, and is back at work. Live and local for you in Grove City, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.
An important story to tell, Eric. Thank you.